Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse One here. Come on, girly. Just getting ready for bath time. I got water heating up on the stove. I got my 5-gallon bucket of water. This little girl's going today, so she's getting washed up first, and then she's going to stay in the camper until the people come to get her. And this is the shy girl, so she's going to be ready to go. We're going to go outside. I'm going to show you everybody else here in a moment. What you doing, girly? What you doing? It's a baby. You're such a good girl. So, they're dirty. So, that's why everybody's getting a bath again. I'm going to show you out here in a minute. Let me actually grab my glasses. Watch out, girly. Okay. So yeah, I just use a 5-gallon bucket, and I'll put a little soap in there. I'll heat up 2 of these things of water. So I'll heat the first one up, put it in there, which does not make it warm enough, and then I'll just repeat that, and then she's gonna get washed in the bucket. And I've done that to these guys already before. And so we're gonna go outside now. It's windy today, so just warning you ahead of time. Stay there, girlie. I'll be back. All right, so I got rid of these out of there. They were buried under the straw, but that's the old straw. I already pulled that out. This is fresh straw that I just put in here. I'm trying to do this about every 5 days. And, as obviously as I get less puppies, it'll be easier. Obviously the game plan is I have 1 puppy is going to go today. So today's Wednesday, by the way. I will be live streaming tonight at 6 p.m. for hardcore members, 8 o'clock for everybody else. So I'm going to be in puppy washing mode here soon. So I'll be a little bit busy. But 1 puppy is going today. The shy female is going today. I have one of the males is going to go tomorrow. And so we will be down at that point to 5 puppies left. 2 of which are staying here at the homestead. So we'll show you these guys. Hello, babies. Hello. Look at the ears already. See, his ears are already up. And so I don't know if that's the little girl or not. But anyway, so there's the other 6 puppies. And yep, look at his ears up. I don't know if that's one of the boys or the girls. But I have 1 female that I'm keeping. And I'm keeping 1 of the males. And, oh my god, there's 2 dang cute. So I got her in here with them. And she's here in the other one because he's yelping away. He's like, wait, she's in there yelping. You're okay. You're okay. Yes, baby, you're fine. Get down. So but yeah, the puppies were all 8 weeks old yesterday. So she's just showing them who the boss is. But a lot more snow has melted, guys, as you can see. Much more cleared out. Still on this side of the hill, not as much as I would have liked. But I actually, you can probably see my truck is up here. I did drive in last night. It was a little bit slippery, not terrible. I just hugged the inside of the hill as much as I possibly could. But I figure between today and tomorrow, we got a bunch of really warm days coming. Well, I mean warm for what we've been getting before this coming. And so I'm going to show you, so we're getting peeks through here where things are melting. spots that it's actually clearing up on here, and so you can see it'll be a bit yet, but it's starting on the drive in. But like I said, that's going to take a while. The wind, we got high winds today, which is, you know, it is what it is. And so I'm actually just in a t-shirt and no hat on. I started out with a sweatshirt on and my hat, and then I quickly got heated up, so I put all those away. I'm pretty sure the batteries got to be close to 100. I did not run the generator last night, so we're going to go in here and we're going to take a look. And we're going to see where we're at. Alright, let's see. We'll turn that on for a second. But yeah, I knew that we had a good sunny day yesterday as well. And I knew today was going to be sunny. Tomorrow's going to be sunny. And then Friday, they're calling for rain, but it's going to be in the 50s on Friday. So I'm hoping, notice how I say I'm hoping that this really starts knocking down a lot more of the snow. There's a lot less today, as you can see down here in the lower part of the homestead. As soon as this shows me, I'll show you guys. I don't even have any idea where this is at. It is probably 11:30 right now in the morning, and ooh, that wind is blowing. Trying to push that door open. Alright, let's see. Still not showing me yet. But anyway, so today is all about, you know, like I said, I changed out their bedding today. I can't remember what day I did it last week. I did show you guys whatever day that was last week. But I looked in there last night and I went, okay, it's getting done today. Just because it was good. Okay, here we go. Alright, so batteries, 90% and charging, which is awesome. That is great. Really good to see. So that's where we're at, guys. It's going to be all about puppies today, and getting everybody squared away and getting these guys washed again. And but they're looking good. And get down, baby, get down. You're fine. And so that's my plan today is wash puppies. All right. Sorry about the wind. I will talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.